everybody, welcome back, and today I have a brand new type of video for you, and it's an unboxing. Now, I have never done an unboxing on my channel. I have never done a Fit Fab Fun, a Ipsy, a BoxyCharm, nothing. I've never done mystery boxes either, but this popped up in my email and I was like, okay, this seems really interesting and I want to give it a try. And that is the Gerard Cosmetics 7th anniversary diamond love box. So they do have 3 levels of boxes on their website. They have the gratitude for $29, which is a $65 value, the platinum for $77, which is a $165 value, and then I got the diamond, and that is a $159, and it's supposed to be a $356 value. They said you're supposed to get anywhere from 14 to 16 products. So this is my box. Let me open it up. Now, I did forget that I was going to do an unboxing on this, so I did open up one thing, and I can't find the box. But this is what it looks like, and it looks like I did get 14 things in here, just at a glance, just counting them. So yeah, I figured Gerard Cosmetics is not a brand I know a whole lot about. I've got a couple of lipsticks from them that I do like the formula. I think they're really reasonably priced, but I thought this would be a cool way to try out some different things from the brand for a pretty good deal. And just, you know, sometimes it's just exciting to roll the dice and see what you get. So if you want to see what I got from my diamond mystery box or diamond love box from Gerard Cosmetics, then stick around. So since I already opened this because I'm a child and I can't wait, I'll just show you this first. This is one of their crystal lipsticks in Hollywood Boulevard. And this is what it looks like. It's really super pretty. Could see that being a beautiful topper. And I'm not quite sure what the prices are for everything. I don't think it's in here. Is it in here? Yeah, I don't think that it's actually, the prices are listed in here, but I'll list them like down below or over here so you can kind of see, keep a running total. So I did get that lipstick bullet. I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff in here. Okay, it looks like I got what do I want to get? Okay, looks like I got a Super Booster whitening pen. Restores teeth to a natural white. Okay, I'm kind of excited. Dry off teeth with a towel or tissue. Twist bottom of pen. Paint a small amount onto desired teeth. Smile wide for 60 seconds to allow product to adhere. Rinse off after several hours. Okay, I'm excited to try this because actually, for those of you who don't know, Gerard Cosmetics started off as Whitening Lightning, and they were, you know, all about the teeth brightening and that kind of stuff. So I'm kind of excited to try this. I am very, very insecure about my teeth. No matter what I do, no matter how many whitening products I try, you know, cleaning them, I just have yellow teeth. I'm just not a fan. But I will be trying this because that's a point of insecurity for me. I don't know. It's like they read my mind. All right, what do I want next? Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. We have got a Gerard Cosmetics Mystified Hydrating Facial Mist. Let's see. And it says water. I'm trying to see what's in here. Looks like it may have alcohol in here, but I'm not sure. And this is just in Mystified. Woo, and I just dropped the box. I'm a mess. So it looks like this. I wonder if it smells at all. It just kind of smells fresh and clean. Spray before or after makeup application to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Fantastic for parched or dull complexion. Keeps the skin dewy while makeup fresh and radiant for hours. Let's try this out. Let's try it. It smells really good. It's a little florally. It feels really nice on the skin. Let me see. Did I just ruin my makeup? Hopefully not. Oh no, it went on nice. Okay, that's nice to have. Just kind of refresh your makeup throughout the day. Excited to try that. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we've got a Starlit palette. So that's what it looks like. So nice little oh, okay. That's nice. So a little like highlighting and bronzer palette. Interesting. Oh, that bronzer is definitely something I could use. Those highlighters might be a little deep for me, but I could probably make them work as blush toppers. But I'm excited to try that out. What else do we have here? Okay, so we have a Staycation setting spray collection. Okay, cool. I always love a good setting spray. Let's see what we have in here. So we have their little mini bottles, which would be good for travel because they're only 1 ounce. Let's see, are they 1 fluid ounce? Anyway, those would be good for travel. Just a spray before or after your makeup collection. So kind of the same as the Mystified. This is in the shade, in the smell lavender. Scent lavender. Oh, that's nice because I just finished up my lavender MAC Prep and Prime. So that's kind of nice. This is in the shade Rose. Oh, that smells good. That smells much better than the Wet n Wild one. It's definitely more of a natural rose scent. And then this is in the shade Cucumber. Oh, that smells really good too. Yeah, these definitely smell better than the Wet n Wild ones. They're a lot more of a natural scent than those are. So I'm excited to try those. That's exciting. I've got a Star Powder. I'm assuming this is a highlighter. How do I open this? This is in the shade Grace. Very pretty. So it comes with a little mirror in it, and this is kind of cool how it has the little thing over the compact, I guess, so if you want to put like a puff or something in there. Although I feel like this is a highlighting powder. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's very subtle. It's almost like the Kevyn Aucoin Candlelight powder that I have, the highlighting powder, just something really, really subtle. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited to have that. Okay. This is I'm having a good mystery box experience so far. This is probably not a good thing because it's probably going to make me want to buy other mystery boxes, and then like it's just going to be downhill from there. All right, we have a Supreme Lip Cream in Angel Cake, which looks like this. That color looks right up my alley. Oh, that's really pretty. So excited about that. I just got rid of a ton of lip products if you did not see that declutter, so this is a very timely box to get. I got another lipstick. This is in Kiss and Tell. This is what the bullet looks like. Yeah, so the crystal bullets are kind of more of a rose gold, and the regular lipsticks are more of a just gold, or just a gold. This color is very pretty. It's a little more pink than what I usually wear. I usually wear stuff that's a little bit more subdued, but we'll definitely try that out. We have got one of the Hydra Matte liquid lipsticks in West Coast. So let me open this up. I just love the packaging on these, the frosted packaging. That's so stinking pretty. Ooh, talk about out of the comfort zone. That is bright. I'll have to try it. I'll be brave and try it. Maybe now that I've got the teeth whitening stuff, I won't be so scared to wear those colors. One can dream. All right, we have another Supreme Lip Cream in Wild Berry Tart. This one is also right up my alley. This is really my kind of color right here. That's pretty. That one right there. Okay, we've got another Hydra Matte, and this one is in Honeymoon. And that's what that looks like. Well, that's a pretty color. Oh, I like that really pretty kind of rosy color. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's a little bit more subdued than, what was the other one? West Coast. Oh, okay. Looks like I got a lip liner. This is a lip pencil in Peachy Keen. Let's see if I can get this one open. Oh, it looks very much like the Milani pencils and the Urban Decay pencils. So this is in the shade Peachy Keen. Oh, that's a pretty color. Like a nice, it reminds me of one of the Urban Decay ones that I kept, but I don't have many like that, so it'll be good to, you know. Sometimes it's good to have those colors on hand, even if you don't use them that often. All right, I got a Metal Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade It's Complicated. Guys, I'm not, like, my lips are not one of my best features just because they're uneven and small. So, like, things like this, I'm a little hesitant to try, but we might have to try it. Okay, so this is in the shade It's Complicated. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Isn't that pretty? It's like a smoky kind of lavender color. That is really pretty. We'll have to try that. We'll just have to do the line. We'll do a bunch of lining and see what we come up with. Let's see what else I have. Okay. Okay, I think I just have two more things. All right, so this is another Hydra Matte, and this is in Invasion. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. I think this color is going to be right up my alley too. Yup. Oh yeah, this color is right in my wheelhouse. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm excited about that one. That's really gorgeous. Yay. Then I have one more thing in here. All right, it is the Clean Canvas Eye Base. Oh, I've heard good things about this. Let's see, it's in the shade Cocoa. I'm not sure if that's gonna work for me though. Woo. Oh yeah, this is a little deep for me. That's pretty though. It's like a pretty color. I wonder if I could almost use that as like a cream bronzer or something. Can I do that? I could do that, right? It's just makeup. It can go anywhere. That might be a good like bronzing shade for me because I definitely couldn't use it as an eye base. We might have to get creative with that. I don't know. Let me know. I mean, it's just makeup. It's just powder and paint, right? We can just use it however we want to. I'm gonna go with that. It's a pretty color though. I'll have to play around with that. All right, guys, so that was my Gerard Cosmetics Diamond Love Box. These are still available. All three are still available on the website, so you could definitely still pick it up if you're interested. I would be really interested if you have picked up one of these to know what you guys got. I think it was a pretty good value. You know, I will put the total value up here of everything we got just to see kind of how it adds up with what they're claiming, but I want to say we're probably pretty safe in terms of actually getting the value claimed. But yeah, I'm really happy. Like I said, I feel like this was a great experience for a mystery box, and if I get another one, it would just be downhill. Just knowing my luck, you know, you get sucked in and then it's just like, yeah, no. But I hope this was fun for you guys. As always, thank you so much for hanging out and talking about makeup with me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Have a rockin' week, and I will see you next time. Bye.